Hi everyone, welcome to Simply Grace Lifestyle. All right, so we have a haul from Walmart, so let's get started, guys. Okay, so this video is a part of a collaboration called the Foodie Grocery Haul, and this is being hosted by myself, Simply Grace Lifestyle, and occasionally we have my mountain home and kitchen and you if you join. Okay, so let me show you what we got. So normally I get the beet juice and, oh, I forgot to get the beet juice. All right, so I'm gonna have to tell Matthew we might have to go back to the store, but this is the new one that he's trying now. So this is the tart cherry. This one is the organic one, and then this is the brand that he likes. I'm sorry for that noise outside. This is the brand that he likes. So I think we're gonna have to go back and get him some beet juice. All right, so there are a couple of new items here that because I don't normally buy the items I'm about to show you on a regular. So the pot stickers, absolutely love it. The sauce, they have a couple of packets inside of this bag, and I absolutely love it. I'm not supposed to have it, but I love that. Matthew likes it too. Then I got 2 cans of the Goya canned black beans. We got 2 cans of that. So last grocery haul, I got him the blue bunny, and this one is the blueberry cheesecake flavor. Oh my goodness. If you haven't tried this, guys, you have to try this. It is delicious. So we got some meat here. Let's see. So we have some of this cube steak. And the stew meat was just marked down when I got there, so I'm going to be cooking these today. All right, so we have 2 packages of the stew meat and then 1 of the cube steak. All right, so we're going to be using those today. And then I got some ham hocks because I'm going to be making some black beans, fresh black beans with ham hocks. So doesn't that sound delicious? So I got myself a sleeve of the beef burgers. This is the 85% lean, 15% fat. So I like to have these in case I don't feel like making anything that's really quick in the air fryer. I always keep a minimum of 4 of the heavy cream in my fridge. So I had 2, I bought 2. I needed some chicken broth, so I got 1 of those. Then I just got some cookies for the cookie jar. These are the Great Value oatmeal cookies, so I got 1 of those. Then we needed some bathroom tissue, so I got 1 of those. Let me place this back here. Now I need to be cleaning some wood, so I got the Orange Glow wood furniture. So I got 1 of these. I heard that was great. Then I got, let's see, the classic roast decaf. I get this weekly, so I just needed some trash bags, so I grabbed 1 of these. And then I did get another package of the Goya empanada because I'm going to be making empanadas. So I got that. Then for the hamburgers, I got 2 of the hamburger buns. Okay, got 2 packs of that. I'll stick all this in the freezer. I needed a dozen eggs, so these are the cage-free large white. I needed some onions, so I got some onions. Then I got 2 of the Hass avocados. Okay, 2 of these. Here is the black beans. So some of us know how to make the black beans. I don't particularly care for making them like this. I like quick and easy. These are going to take some time. I'm going to put them in the crock pot with the ham hocks, some onion, and some other stuff. It's going to be delicious. I don't normally buy plantains on a regular, okay? So I grabbed 4 because we're going to cut these up and put them inside of the beef stew that I'm making. I'm gonna cut these up and dice them up and put them in there instead of potatoes. So stay tuned. I may do that on quick and easy meals. So this is some turkey pepperoni. I didn't even realize it was turkey, guys. I thought it was regular pepperoni. I don't think it'll make a difference. So I got 1 of the pepperoni, and then if you go where the dairy stuff is, you're gonna see the Just Roll pizza crust. I've never used the pizza crust, but I have used the puff pastry. So we're gonna give this a try soon. I'm gonna put these baby carrots inside of the stew I'm planning on making. Now this is something that I'm buying for the first time that you got frozen. We're gonna go ahead and try this. Then a big bag of mozzarella, shredded cheese, because we need that for the pizza. And then I also got the sharp cheddar, which is the cheese that Matthew likes. He likes that. I'm gonna be making a couple of dishes. I don't know when. Just stay tuned on Quick and Easy Meals, guys, because I'm all about quick and easy. I needed lots of butter, so I just bought 2 of these 4 sticks of butter each, and then I got 3 of the cream cheese. Great value cream cheese. I got 3 of those. And this is also a weekly staple, so I get my pure organic stevia. Now the pizza sauce, I just went ahead and I got the Ragu pizza sauce. So I'm gonna give that a try. If it's quick and it's easy and Matthew likes his pepperoni, we won't tell him it's turkey. All right, guys, so this is what I bought. Only thing you don't see is the filtered water that I have, and the dog food that's already put away, and that's pedigree. So this is what I got, and what did I pay? Let's see, I have the receipt right here. Let's take a look. What did all of this cost me? $187.28. So does that look like it to you? It just seemed like everything I grabbed was $4 to $5. That's what I spent though, guys. So between this, the only thing missing here is the dog food and the water. That's what I got. So, and this is what it costs, $187.28. So that's where we are, guys. So make sure if you want to join in to the Foodie Grocery Haul, to send me a message, and I'll be more than happy to add you to the flyer for the weekly Foodie Grocery Haul. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen. Yummy.